studying science, arts or commerce, master your subject. Be the cadet who excels in the classroom just as you excel on the field. Third, plan your career. The future is vast and full of possibilities. Many of you will aspire to join the armed forces, and the NCC is the finest preparatory school for them. But for those who choose other paths, engineering, medicine, civil services, corporate leadership, or even politics, the skill you learn here will be your differentiator. In a job interview, the panel may forget your grades, but they will never forget the confidence and clarity that an NCC cadet carries. Let this training be the foundation of your professional success. Fourth, plan for society. You are not just individuals, you are the future architects of our society. We live in a diverse nation and sometimes forces try to divide us. Use your training to be ambassadors of harmony, fight social evils like drug abuse, which is the menace we must tackle together. Promote awareness about health and hygiene in your village and neighborhood. Be the change makers who build a stronger, healthier and more united Tripura. One of the greatest gifts of your participation in National Camp is the opportunity to travel. You have left the comfort of your home and visited the bustling metropolis of Delhi and other parts of our incredible country. I want you to cultivate a deep sense of inquiry. When you travel, do not just be a tourist, be a student of life. Visit the ancient forts and monuments and ask yourselves, how did our ancestors build these magnificent structures without modern machinery? Understand the ancient issues and historical challenges that our civilization has faced and overcome. This understanding will give you roots. However, while your roots are in the past, your eyes must be on the future. We are living in the fourth industrial revolution. You must be equally curious about artificial intelligence, about machine learning, about blockchain, and about modern digital technologies. The world is changing faster than ever before. The soldier of tomorrow will use drones and cyber tools. The doctor of tomorrow will use AI, artificial intelligence for diagnosis. The farmer of tomorrow will use apps to check soil nutrition. Be the generation that seamlessly blends the timeless wisdom of our ancestors with the transformative power of modern technology. Be inquisitive, be adaptable, and never stop learning. In this journey of self-discovery and nation service, never lose sight of the two most important pillars of your life, your parents and your nation. Think about the sacrifices your parents have made to get you here. They sent you to school, they supported your NCC involvement, they prayed for you while you were away at camp. Your success is their success. When you stood in attention at the Republic Day camp, they stood taller in their neighborhood. When you receive this certificate today, It is a reflection of their hand work and love. Always strive to make them proud. Similarly, remember that you are the representative of this 39 lakh people of Tripura and the 140 crore people of India. Your conduct, your discipline and your achievements reflect on all of us. Be active citizens.